Tata Consumers is one stock that has been a buzz, since the last 1 year. It's done quite well. It's performed well, as overall the company strategy also to become a full-fledged FMCG company is something that is keeping them a buzz. There are a lot of acquisitions coming in as well. Now, overall. Now this time, why are we talking about Tata Consumers today is Goldman Sachs has actually initiated coverage on the stock and they are maintaining a buy stance on the stock with a target price of 804 rupees per share. So good upside coming in over there for Tata Consumers as well. Now what are the factors that they are taking in, to see and why they are initiating coverage as well as with the buy stance on Tata Consumers. So what they see that Tata Consumers was mainly formed to drive synergies for the Tata Group. Now Tata Group's food and beverage business that was mainly tea and salt. Now overall, if you look at Tata Consumers over the last few years, they have been growing organically and through acquisitions. A lot of acquisitions they've done. They've expanded their presence in pulses, spices, ready to eat meals, and especially focusing on healthier options in each category as well. So you are seeing how from just food and beverages, a small food and beverages part to now becoming a full-fledged FMCG company, how they are actually growing and advancing toward that, and they have been increasing their distribution network as well, and now Tata Consumers has actually become one of the key players in India's packaged food segment as well. So surely that is quite interesting a play that for anyone to miss as well. Now Goldman Sachs believes that the company is actually poised for a revenue growth, especially using its portfolio advantage. Also, its improving distribution network and a strong balance sheet is something that is going to help Tata Consumers grow even further. Now, currently the strong balance sheet, they expect to grow the sales at 12% CAGR over FY21 to 26. Now, expanding the portfolios, like I mentioned, distribution network obviously is going to allow Tata Consumers to further drive its operating cost optimization and further grow its domestic EBIT as well by 4.5 times is what the figure is what Goldman Sachs is believing for by FY30 is expected is what they are believing. Now other than that, obviously they see a further upside coming in because for their asset light strategy, the JVs that they have with Starbucks, leveraging the intelligence of Tata Group as well as the potential deployment of the 27 crores in net cash for inorganic opportunities is something that they have key highlighted. So they do have a lot of net cash also. So that is also very interesting on how Tata Consumers is going to be using it, especially in inorganic growth opportunities that the company has been looking at as well. Now overall, Goldman Sachs has a forecast of around CAGR of 28% EPS for FY21 to FY24 expected, which is much higher than the staple peers of around 12%. So that is why they're initiating coverage with a buy stance and a target price of 804 rupees per share. So surely keep focus on that. Keep an eye out on Tata Consumers as well now.